This tech tip video looks at using key-ins as an optional method for command and coordinate entry within the VE. We're going to start by looking at the command bar. Here, we can press Escape while in the command bar to get shortcuts, which allow us to turn inner volumes on or off, or rebuild the model, or switch the zone visibility on or off quickly. We can also change the units, or the space type, or the openings type. Mostly, we would use the command bar to type in various commands. These are listed on our user guides if you look here. Let's consider the most common key-ins. Rebuild is used to rebuild model adjacencies. Tidy will create polygons to fill gaps where the vertices or edges in the model don't line up. Open equals W, open equals H, and open equals D are used to change the opening types. Then, some other options include RM open equals X, where X is the maximum area of the opening that you want to have detected, with RMD as an alternative that specifically selects doors, and RMH, which selects holes. These are just a few from the many key-ins that are available. Let's look at how to use the command bar for coordinate entry, where we use the relative format of dx equals x, y. To see what this does, let's start to draw an extruded shape. I'm just going to click on the origin as a start point. Now, if I start typing dx equals, it doesn't matter where the cursor is on the screen, the letters will start to appear in the command toolbar. I type dx equals, and then type the x coordinate and then the y coordinate. So, if I type 5, 0, that will extend a line 5 meters along the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis. When I refresh the screen, we can see a line 5 meters long, horizontally because it's along the x-axis, going to the right. If I had typed -5 instead, the line would have gone horizontally to the left. If we want to draw a vertical line, we can, for example, type dx equals 0, to have no change in the x-axis, and then type in the vertical distance, let's say 3, and hit return. This will draw a line that goes 3 units straight up the screen. Here, if we had typed -3 instead, the line would have gone down the screen. We can continue to draw the shape by inputting coordinates, or just by clicking on points. If we want to connect these two lines by drawing a diagonal line to form a triangle, then we need to input values for moving along both the x and the y-axis. So we would type in dx equals -5, -3. These are relative coordinates. If we want to draw absolute coordinates to a fixed point on the model, then we change the entry format to x equals x, y. In the previous example, because we had started drawing at the origin, or 0, 0 point in the model, we could have closed our shape by typing in x equals 0, 0. We can use the option of coordinate entry and model it in any view, plan or elevation, and at any level of decomposition. Thank you for watching this video on how to use key-ins for command and coordinate entry within the VE. For further hints and tips on the VE, please check out our other Tech Tips videos.